Okay, now we are going to recite an amazing poem about animals. Old Abdullah had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he has some ducks, E-I-E-I-O. Where is the duck? Just show me the duck. Where is the duck, Ahmed? Okay, this is a duck. Okay. And the quack quack here and the quack quack there. Here quack, there quack, everywhere quack quack. Old Abdullah had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he has some cow, E-I-E-I-O. And the mama here and the mama there. Here more, there more, everywhere more. Old Abdullah had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he has some. He has some chips, E-I-E-I-O. And the bear bear here and the bear bear there. Here bear there bear everywhere bear bear. Old Abdullah had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Okay, I have one more poem about wild animals. Do you want to listen a poem about wild animals? Okay, are you ready to listen? Are you ready to listen? Are you ready to listen? A poem about wild animals? Okay. Roar like a lion. Come on and roar like a lion. Yes, he shall. It's the lion. Squeak like a mouse. Where is the mouse? Squeak like a mouse. Squeak, 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 squeak. Now I heard a loudly roar. Where is the lion? Show me the lion. Now I hear a loudly roar. I wanna see you can loud some more. Bears and tigers, imagine them with me. The very best part is what you will be. Roar like a jaguar. Come on and roar like a jaguar. Roar. Cute. Squeak like a mouse. Squeak, 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 squeak. Squeak like a mouse. Squeak, 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 squeak. Okay. Mashallah, you have done it.